It's almost full. Trying to fill it with half-decent needles. It's in a bunch of mags. I gotta get some. I got another one for y'all, maybe. These came from Walmart in the container dishes section. I super love them. They seal or whatever. So they're kind of not expensive. They're like $6 for one of them. But during the holidays, seasonal something, they have the 2-packs. And yeah, and those are $9.98. So you save like $1 or something. I don't know. And Walmart has those same bins, but they have smaller ones. So maybe if you didn't need quite as much storage, they're a little bit cheaper. But they're still the same. They still seal. They just won't hold as much. So they're super cool. I love them. And then I have my Critical Connect batteries with pedal, Bluetooth. Love it. Best thing ever. Awesome. Super dope. Are these. I have labels for them. I just haven't done it because I'm lazy. On me, throw. Plastic wrap, piercing, bibs, grip tape, Synerderm, cups, razors in the big one, extras. And one more. These are quick access. Ink stir sticks, machine covers, cord covers, ink cups. These came from Dollar Tree. Those are kind of not old, but older. These are the newer ones they have. They have a silver lid. I like these a lot more. I have no self-control.